Yeah, man, Sam, at Lonwabo Katas'
Yeah,
house.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
last time I was here, I was 25.
Gee,
25 December, Christmas.
hectic.
Yeah, cars were stolen.
Mm.
People almost died. We almost died here.
Yeah,
In
Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah,
It
Christmas.
was not on the news. So we're telling you the news. We almost died. Comedians almost died. And then while a comedian was being robbed, another comedian was hijacked as well. Same hour. He came here with a girlfriend crying. Oh, the girlfriend was at the salon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know what's crazy is that as comedians we always talk about dying when we don't do well on stage, but we literally almost died.
We
that day.
almost died.
Yeah,
Christmas.
bruh.
Christmas. After witnessing another murder situation at Umkiti. So
Yeah,
there
guess
was
on.
blood.
Yes, but Umike, so that day sasically endimguwe ngunsika ngumike case. Umike akakaze apha endlini ever since. So ndimtatsha efuna into ukhona ke ngantatshi. Lloyd andikwazi ukuza apha kodwa I'm still traumatized. But ndiya-understanda bra. Ndiya-understanda because ndithe kandibone esinye isitori yabo apha.
Anyway, it is the Herald Weekly LOL. Yeah, based on the news that we're getting on Herald. So mostly our focus at PE. Since we almost got robbed. So
yeah, so apha kuthiwa ipolice station yabo iweldelwe ifestile.
front page
Amapolisa ayoyika.
Amapolisa afake i-burglars utrelido.
Bra, police station.
Station.
It's not enough the fact that bango 6 gate ziyavalwa. Hey, sukana. Asivala igate. They make sure bakufakwa
nebugler police station.
Yo, New Bright is enenye.
New Bright.
Yo, New Bright is enenye. Yeah. New Bright, it's crazy. Yonke into iyenzeka, bro.
It reminds me of Tanzania because the Tanzania the police station was robbed.
What?
They took the gun. Yeah. So
yes.
Yeah.
Amakaseto chayiwe because ways zihleli zisenzeka. But I think as a story, like, okay, it's a chayiwe, it's a crazy, ne? But for me, another story that I found to be really, really crazy. Senzeka in Northern Cape.
So this is Wednesday.
It's a story senzeka in Northern Cape.
So this is
this is Thursday.
This is Thursday. Yeah.
But no, actually, this morning I because it's a Thursday. By Northern Cape, police are still in the dark in terms of 3 corpses that were stolen from a mortuary.
Corpses?
Yeah.
It's dope.
Akusuba zidukile, zibiwe.
Guys, that's not PE. No, that is not PE. I know the PE store, before you know the location, which is like it's not Eastern Cape.
Sure.
Yeah, stealing of corpses.
No, you know it.
Northern Cape or Polokwane.
Sure.
Yeah, where
vendor.
Yeah, Limpopo, the vendor. Yeah, dead bodies will be stolen.
Clean.
Yeah.
And actually, as as much as the way kind of crazy and maybe we will try to find the funny side, it's actually it's serious stuff because apparently amagqirha sangomas they do make imuthi yabo ngeparts zabantu. And I don't know about because a story that Jocelyn from Cape Town. Yeah. Khona lo mnami yo uthengiswe in actual fact ngumama emthengisela isango. So ngondibona ezi story sezizidumbu zidukile uwethu umntana omncinci onenyanga. I was like, I wonder if zibiwe izidumbu for uthengisa.
I'm sure obvious.
Crazy.
Obvious.
Crazy.
Obvious. What else do you have?
Another thing that I saw.
I like the fact that you go straight for the not so serious one.
Oh yeah, but the thing is that Kafunda paper usually like almost every story is serious, but this one was crazy for me.
Yeah.
Thursday. China.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, actually, Russia, Ukraine. Sorry.
Okay.
So, Ukraine, iti ibambe Chinese eziyi-2.
Okay.
Ezilwa kwiside le Russia.
Okay.
I'm like, no man, this is crazy.
Okay.
Ufuna undixelela ba iChina enabantu aba-over billion ithumele i-unknown Chinese eziyi-2 ayakhetha ooJet Li okanye ooJackie Chan yathumela iikaka ezingenayo nekarati baziyo
2 ziyolwa ne-Ukraine.
no.
I-Ukraine ibonile indlela ewikhi ngayo kule war mna. Upresident wase-Ukraine bamhumiliatile eWhite House oko yocela abe ngqiba waya nase-England wacela wafumana billions yabo. Russia didn't want much from China. They wanted 2 Chinese. Not billions, want 2 Chinese.
Just send us.
Yeah.
2 of your Chinese to come and assist us.
Exactly.
Which is just crazy. I think propaganda. There is no way, man, that China, of which it's plausible that China is not Russia, because obviously bonke bekuBRICS, but it won't just send 2 Chinese to come and fight.
Maybe it's only the 2 that were captured. Maybe there's many Chinese, just the slow ones were captured. That's why we know of them now. 2.
Babe, only 2.
They're only 2.
Yeah,
so
crazy stuff.
That's the last ones you are catching. Never catch a Chinese soldier again.
Enough, lad.
That 2 is enough.
Hey, man. Hey.
Still on Thursday. Hey, your Thursday is nice here.
Yeah, Thursday had crazy stories, bro.
Yeah.
Ndibone, hey, this is enye.
Because I see something about food parcels already.
Yiyo kanye leyo yabo. Ba kuno MMC uza bawukwepi department kulena yethu.
Yo,
Sports Arts and Culture.
Sports Arts and Culture.
Kuthiwa eGqeberha kuthiwa ube food parcels. Ndazi bayanini lewe.
Imali ze-artist, ngawutya imali zokutya, utya ukutya. Utyiwa kwasanto, utyiwa imali, ukutya.
But ndifuna uyazi ba okay ithini le nto ezi-food parcels because yona le way ngoku ndithe ndiyijonga nje I was perusing ndiqom man yintoni iqom Arts and Culture kwee-food parcels eziyi-40
perusing
come on
perusing
come on besiperuza echayiwe tana
kuyalanjwa ka-art. That's why you see a lot of Capitec cars online. Yeah, Capitec. Yeah.
senditshota man kunzima and awukwazi ungazibona intoni eziziwayo. Okay, awukwazi ungazibona i-Capitec card because yiyo car esikwazi uyifumana because asinazo eza private accounts. Yabo, thumela nayo inamba yam, senda loo R100. So le MMC kuthiwa ibe ipasela nganene eziyi-40. Can you imagine? Like umuntu ophangela ku-government abe i-food parcels abantu abasokolayo.
A whole food parcels. I wonder what was there. I wonder. Because maybe there's types of food parcels. Maybe ayingomaqamba. Mhlawumbi ayingomaqamba la ayizo-12 koma. Mhlawumbi kune-cornflakes phaa. Mhlawumbi kune-veg. Yeah, right.
But like still, either way, first of all, it's impossible. Abasoze bafake i-Kellogg's kwi-food parcels.
Arts and Culture udibana ne-food parcels.
Okay, probably that time when that's panel Arts and
okay.
Mhlawumbi ayikwenye i-department edeliverisha i-food parcels.
Okay.
Yabo? And then now wathi make sure ba okay uzibambela i-40 yakhe madala side. Never know.
So that was Thursday.
Yeah.
With the Herald. That was Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday,
I'm still chilling with Olonwabo Katasa. I didn't even say, because you went straight to the thing.
Oh, yeah.
Because I was
still checking.
Nothing. Straight to the thing. So that was the Thursday.
Yeah, in Thursday.
And then I had a Monday.
Oh, yeah?
On Monday, I read Ulento Umakhosa.
Sure.
Which is, Beyonce.
Clean.
Enxitywa nguTshepi Sonzayo.
Be stand up.
Enxitywa nguNathi Msengane.
Come on.
Every day, all day.
Yeah.
But so Maxhosa opened a store in Joburg.
Nice.
In Cape Town.
Nice.
In New York.
Everywhere.
In Gqeberha, I opened a store, and then in Gqeberha, I was like, I'm not buying stocks for 6,000. I'm paying cows for 600.
Yeah,
but I complain the price. Abantu basebhayi bra.
Yeah.
Abantu umna ofika kwabebhayi.
Sure. Yeah.
Akho bantu bathanda impahla more than abantu basebhayi.
All the time.
Yeah, but they want a brand yabo uMaxhosa walapha eBhayi wenza the most expensive brand. Ngabo ngokabakhalayo. abantu benxiba uLevi's oduru ade phuma ibala.
Yima iyaxhomekeka uba ngabantu bapha bebhayi because abantu baseNew Bright
Okay.
bayamthenga uMaxhosa. eMotherwell soze kungakhalwa
Oh.
nge-1,600.
Uh-uh.
Motherwell yiyo le idunjelwe yintloko
Yeah.
because Motherwell into yi-one eyaziwayo noba iweather ithini soloko kunxitywe izilamba ze-leather
Okay.
because ayazi uba ngabakhaya kanye kunxitywe iminqwazi yama-cowboy
Okay.
because yi-Motherwell.
Motherwell ifuna nto ne-boardwalk. Motherwell busiyapha e-boardwalk.
Uyothini?
That's Green Acres. Motherwell, Green Acres, one takes uyapha e-boardwalk.
One time uyothini e-boardwalk?
Uyokhala ngoLaduma. So Laduma is gonna be doing annual Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Umntanam.
Nice.
Imibulelo ntontoni.
Sure.
Ebhayi. Annually qho.
Nice.
Qala kulo nyaka bekusuppose bayiqale ngo-2020 qha nge-lockdown yasibetha. So bayayiqala ke ngoku umntanam nawe. Yabo amatikiti uba ukhala ngeekawusi za-600 well itikiti longena yi-1.2 yale kubhajethwa ngoku ke and awukwazi ungena unganxibanga jezi skipa kawusi kamaxhosa
Ne?
awunoya ebrantshini kamaxhosa unxibe into engangeni ndawo.
Also aba oomaxhoba bayakhawuleza basetraduna ningayi.
Oh, yeah.
Ningayi.
Oh ya kukho noomaxhosa basetraduna.
Yeah, ngomaxhoba.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then while sikumaxhosa walapha ebhayi wenze
Yeah.
big things.
Yeah.
Ichipa ngoku Chipa United yawina izinto zihamba kakuhle yabo kucima nezibane.
Load shedding.
Load shedding. Load shedding leya?
For sure.
Sisibane sama indimi.
No, load shedding.
Load shedding.
Yeah. John, project come in. Steve gone.
Hayi ke load shedding. Yeah. So Chipa United since it's winning iyahamba.
Yeah,
To East London.
and they understand la way cheaper because it's cheaper. Okay, iyanjani e-East London isponsorishwa imetro
Okay. Ahluthi.
because it's cheaper. Uyabona kwizikipa zayo kubhaliwe Nelson Mandela Bay like si-sponsor like it's the prime sponsor ye-cheaper imetro. Njani ke ngoku ihambe iye eMonti nemali yasebhayi?
Obaba nemali yethu.
For sure.
Noba uBuffalo sethu uthembise imali ebhetere.
Probably.
uBuffalo uthembise imali ebhetere but I mean ebhayi there's a stadium ukho SABC.
Not only stadium, FIFA approved international standard.
Umamela to East London.
Yeah.
East London likas la but yeah but I know she's FIFA uzojima apha sisadukasha. Like what's happening get cheap. Oh cheaper ufuna uwinele eMonti. Yazibona ke politics.
I think uyazi politics for sure, but also maybe if bafuna sponsorship, ne? Ibala laseMonti sasadukashe lingena abantu abayi-15. Yabo? So definitely matches zizawugcwala and then sponsors born. But yeah, man.
Angena bantu bayi-15 masingayibaqi. Isayikasi yami eMtanzania bra. Isayikasi yami eMtanzania nayo uyadeserve i-team. Yabo. Mhlambi nana nesupport apha ebhayi.
Why abantu basemtanzania? You know support why abantu basemtanzania bangakhange bathenge i-team ethengiswa like amankies i-Royal AM.
Hayi kaloku uthenga i-team yakho.
Santi uba niyayideserve kaloku i-team. Athenge i-Royal AM ithengiswa niyenze i-team yasemtanzania itshintshe igama beyipati yenu.
iMonti was always invested kwindaba yeboxing.
Oh yeah.
Yabo. So kwangela xesha yeke indaba yechipa ngesathenga i-Bushbucks kwakudala kumthatha.
Sure.
Uba sase-curious ngesonga but
Yeah.
we were always here kwi-boxing. Yeah,
But nekugqibela nini uba ne-champ because iMonti I think ifana ne-New Bright. Like i-New Bright inesa stigma sitshayiweyo soba abantu base-New Bright bayaphapha bathanda impahla bakugcwele ootsotsi but still esa stigma kodwa senzo serious the fact that kufakwa ibhakla on the station but still nigqibele nini uba ne-champ
zikhona champ akhona nomeva zikhona champ okubhizi unomeva is the only boxer ekwazi ubetha ibhox yasephilippine ilale phantsi awine without points nge-KO nephilippines zisekhona ikhona enye esandoba kuthiwa nguNontshinga nayo yabulala.
Okay.
Yabo. It's just that boxing is not publicized as the way it used to.
SABC.
Yeah.
SABC wayibulala boxing because
Yeah.
I remember they used to do blow by blow but akasekho. So yeah, I think that does then affect because boxing asisayibukeli the way we used to. Ela xesha lombulelo bhotile
Judges Bali, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's why sifuna uchitha structures get cheaper ke.
Well, I don't think ikhona into wrong, but the only problem I might have is Sineengxaki zethu ezininzi zalapha ePayi
Mm.
ezinokwazi usebenzisa laa mali besponsor iChipper ngoku ibilapha, yabo,
Mm.
ikwazi useva i-community. Then yithatheni iChipper but nishiye imali yasePayi.
Xa nikwazi ufaka ii-burglars epolice station, ucinga uba izawuhlala iChipper kuloo ndawo? I-police station yona kuqala ayikho safe. iChipper i-understandile, it's not even political. iChipper iyaunderstanda uba
Akho safe.
akho safe.
Okay, mamela, thina prevention. Kuve kuthiwa prevention is better than cure.
Mm.
Uthe phaa kuwe Mdantsane sekusukorodwa i-police station kwathathwa igama.
Kwakudala ngoko before
So
lockdown.
iNew Bright yabona uba kungangabikho safe. So rather siprevente into engekenzeki. But kodwa on the real, like hey, crime is too much.
Like I said, bro, apha in this house, Christmas Day,
Oh yeah, yeah.
sarojwa comedians.
Yeah.
Chipper understands the mandate. Phuma. I-crime ibalekisa i-investments. Understand?
Clean.
Uba amapolisa azazilokha inside kwi-burglar trailer doors, thina uyayibona
Singobani.
uyayibona kaka. Yeah,
I think nathi we need to basenza umbulelo. Yabo sikhe silandele ikhondo likaMaxhosa, because ever since sasinda kula incident yange-Christmas last December asikenzi imbulelo,
asikabuleli.
so maybe funeka sizibulele ngothenga amatikiti oya eshowini kaLaduma.
Sipha amaXhosa mntana.
Clean.
I hope la 200 secaleni ayo protection fee sipha kodwa sipha.
Yeah.
Sipha.
Amashita nansi yini
itikiti beliyi-1000 qha 1.2 protect. Uyayibona ijezi zibe safe nekawusi.
understand.
Kaloku uqala phambi kothenga itikiti ufuna sithenge izikipa. Yabo,
Make
put 10,000 aside.
uLaduma awutyam sizimbinji eziba ndinazo iikawusi zikaLaduma
Hayi bhetele.
mamela noba zeza 2018
Yho,
andikazinami.
uLaduma enguLaduma ngelo xesha. 2018.
Hayi andikazinami ta
Yaba ngathi uza neskipa sabafana
mehla ngo-96 jonga
Hayi.
uTsepiso ndandihleli nezinye ii-friends zam ze-theatre, yabo. So ndilele ndikhulule iikawusi zam zandifota. Yes, sitapile litapile.
Yho.
Yabo. Tsepiso wayifumana laa picture kuvathiswa wayithi Facebook. Yho, hey, iikawusi zam zikamaXhosa zazitrenda because
Waphanzi wabulala ibrand. Waphanzi wabulala ibrand. Because foot modeling is a big deal in other countries, bro. Yeah, these songs like phanzi ubulala ibrand. Yentwana yam. Wanceda uBeyonce akayibona.
yes,
Yho.
bengayicishile uMaxhosa. But
Yho.
at least the point is that ndina.
Unayo.
So ndizawukwazi uba ngabana i-entry fee yabo uMaxhosa, noba unantoni kamaXhosa ukwazi ungena, ndiyangena. Noba sebalisa ngobomi.
Namabela artist. Yabo senze u-arts and culture siba nelento food parcels. Yabo ndiveza ikhadi. Andicela ndifuna uMaxhosa nazi details. Andindithengele uMaxhosa.
Kuse-early umama uLusanda sebesuka endaweni uba arelise umculo ubhizi usareleisela uCapitec. Kuse-early mayibhulu safuneka
Mama
sukubone
uLusanda, apho uLusanda wakulo bethusile.
umama kabethusile sobonana emathuneni kanti ufuna usibona kwaCapitec.
Bethusile enhliziyo yahle bethusile akhe nambhuka. La front bar leyana amatikiti awathengwa zange mbhatale laphana leyana. Yo bra. Imdantsane yandaletha down ayawathenga amatikiti. Ubethusile following year wawina u-Song of the Year. Inenhliziyo yahle leyo andinozithetha ingxaki zaleyo aba inengxaki. Yabo leya hayi yena noMafa bobabili hayi bra sekunjena manene sekunjena. Hayi zange ibheni.
Kutheni ungazange like ubhukhe iboxer as a special guest, like nje before ungena ubethi shut the boxing coming up next on stage?
Sasike sayicinga uHarisha ngeregi siyibeke phansi ibe sestage seshow.
Oh man,
Yeah.
because yazi Mdantsane ichayile
Gaga yendawo.
Shayiwe,
Gaga yendawo. Yabo ucinga nendaba yegospel since uthetha ngomama kaBethusile ngulebo ubani lo mntana.
Yo, Lebo Sahobela as well is coming down to be in.
Okay.
It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be crazy. But into
Lebo
understand
sebani?
Sahobela.
She's a gospel artist.
Yeah,
Okay.
dope, amazing.
Yeah,
Beautiful
this
music.
place needs some gospel.
Yo, too much.
We don't need Maporisa
Yeah,
here. We
Magame.
need gospel artists. This place needs God.
Imitanda.
Abeha needs Jesus.
Yo,
Yeah.
too much.
Yeah.
Too much.
Only let's stadium.
One time.
Yeah,
Hallelujah.
Okay, but we're gonna look into the thing.
Yeah, I think the paper what Wednesday, Tuesday.
Yo. Because I call healing. because she's talking about healing and what setbacks. Yeah, because these days the keyword is healing. Everyone is healing from something.
Clean.
Yeah, but so now we are healing from crime and traumas.
Trauma, yeah, crime, and Ram, I don't want to lie. Umangaliso into yourself. But you know the crazy thing, I think Nakla Klawesa express side the content of the gospel is that I think that in the Hilisha once I found out about Ezandwana, because we were not only just robbed, it was at gunpoint, shots were fired. So it was a very traumatic experience. But after a month, at least going with January, so I was
They robbed us 25 December and were gunned down as well. 25 January. Exactly a month late. It's not us.
I know,
we did not retaliate. We don't know.
Eyokuqala I think yabulawa ngamapolisa and then esibili andiyazi uba yabulawa ngobani but like yafa nayo. So I was like, yo, sigh of relief.
It's like they die, the other ones die, the new criminals are born. Just like Kylie. Yeah, that's what we have for this week from the Herald. The Herald Weekly Law.
But the only one thing also tying Balu is that like ingaske zingaculi ezangoma zegospel zakudala ngilebo Sahobela. Yayazi yena ithi abanye bayangale.
Yeah.
Ithi abanye bayawela. And then it continues to say wena umile up eyoredane. And I'm like umele ndoni? Umele ndoni kodwa uyava ba abanye bayawela but wena umile. Zikhona ezangomfanise kuba akho nto zi-inspirishayo zingoma zegospel ingaske zona zingaculwa.
Okay.
But I think zikhona ezinye ezi-nice abaziculayo ezizi-inspirational. I think I'm looking forward to that. Lasesicula kamandi nazo ingoma zesintu zeSuthu neze-English.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm hip hop. I know nothing about gospel. I am hip hop and R&B. That's all I am. But this, well, I don't know when is the show, but we're gonna go and see some gospel. Yeah, we need Jesus. So yeah,
hallelujah.
Also, I have the one man show 2 and 3. They here in Quebec.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the one. Danko.
1, 2.